Is your car stuck in park? Don't worry, you're not alone. Difficulty shifting out of park is a common issue with automatic transmissions. Often called being stuck in P, it can be frustrating, but the good news is it usually comes down to a few common causes. You might notice the gear lever feels unusually stiff, or that your automatic car simply won't shift out of park. This can happen for several reasons, ranging from a minor mistake to a more serious mechanical issue. In this video, we'll break down the most common causes of a locked shifter and what you can do about it. Plus, we'll share 5 essential tips to help you prevent this problem in the future. Tips you definitely don't want to miss. Number 1. Excessive parking. Pawl pressure. One of the most frequent reasons a car gets stuck in P is high pressure on the parking pawl. This small pin locks the transmission to prevent the car from rolling. When you park on a hill without using the handbrake, all the car's weight rests on this pin. This high tension can make it extremely difficult to shift the transmission to reverse or drive. To avoid this, always set the parking brake first when parking on an incline. By doing this, the weight of the car is placed on the brake assembly, not on the fragile parking pawl. After engaging the parking brake, you can then move the shifter into the park position. Number 2. A malfunctioning brake switch. Modern automatic cars have a safety feature called a shifter interlock. This system requires you to press the brake pedal before you can shift out of park. It relies on a working brake switch to detect when the brake pedal is pressed. If the brake switch fails, the system won't receive the signal that you have depressed the brake pedal. As a result, the shifter interlock won't release, and you'll find that the automatic car can't shift out of P. This is a common culprit when the automatic gear lever is hard to move. Number 3. Faulty shifter interlock system. Beyond a simple brake switch failure, the entire shifter interlock system can be the problem. This system is designed to prevent accidental shifting. When it malfunctions, it may not release the lock on the gear shift, even when all conditions, like pressing the brake, are met. This can lead to a situation where the automatic transmission is stuck in park and the automatic car won't shift gears from P at all. Number 4. Transmission failure. In some cases, the problem is more serious and points to an internal transmission issue. A faulty shifter, solenoid, a low transmission fluid level, or a damaged transmission oil pan can all cause the vehicle to become trapped in park. These issues often come with other transmission problems, such as difficulty shifting into other gears like reverse. Number 5. Malfunctioning ignition switch. A problem with the ignition switch can also prevent your car from shifting out of park. The ignition system sends a signal to the shifter interlock to release the gear lever. If the ignition switch isn't working correctly, it may not send this signal even when the car is running. This can cause the automatic gear shift to be locked, leaving the automatic transmission trapped in park. And that wraps up our breakdown of the 5 most common reasons why your automatic car can get stuck in park. These issues range from simple mistakes to serious transmission problems, and understanding them is the first step to preventing costly repairs. Now, you might remember I promised to also share 5 essential tips to prevent this problem from happening in the first place. Because of time limitations, I couldn't fit everything into one video without making it too long. That's why I'll be dedicating an entire follow-up video. Stuck in Park Part 2. Just for those prevention tips. I truly apologize for not including them here, but I assure you, it will be worth the wait. So please stay tuned, be patient, and don't miss that next video, because the prevention tips are just as important as knowing the causes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in Part 2.